Very good morning, when I'm all present here. My name is Arpit, studying class 9th standard, here to master your concept on the topic peripheral devices. Now friends, first of all I will tell you that what are peripheral devices. All the hardware components of the computer which are attached and controlled by the computer system except core components are known as peripheral devices, meaning the components which are attached and can be controlled by the computer system are known as peripheral devices. For example, keyboard and mouse are attached to the computer system and can be controlled by the computer system. That's why they are known as peripheral devices. But the question here arises that why I have written except core components. Here I have written except core components because, for example, you are having a keyboard or mouse. There are many more things in the keyboard. For example, screws, and in mouse there are roller and also motherboard. These all are the core components, not the main component. The main component is a keyboard and mouse. That is why we have written here except core components. The keyboard and mouse are known as peripheral devices, not the screws, motherboard and roller are known as peripheral devices. Now about the types of peripheral devices, there are three types of peripheral devices: input, output and the secondary storage devices. In the input devices which give information to the computer system are known as input devices. For example, keyboard and mouse. In keyboard we have keys to write something and it gave information to the computer, and in mouse you click and the program open, meaning you are giving information to the computer system. That is why they are known as input devices. Now the question here arises is that why I have put scanner and printer in the circle. I have put scanner and the printer in the circle because there is a little difference between their work, but the students puzzle that why scanner is input device and why output device is printer. Printer is an output device because it scans the document and give hard copy on printer, but scanner scans the document and give digital copy which you can see on your mobile screen, meaning it does not provide the hard copy. That's why it is known as input and printer is known as output devices. Now let us go to the input devices which we are speaking about. There are two main also input devices which are joystick. Joystick are used in gaming. For example, you are having a race game and you are having joystick. You press it on the front and it increases the acceleration or the speed of the car, and when you press it back it decreases the speed of the car. And in airplane devices also it is used, and microphone to record the voice. Now about output devices which show the information given by the input devices. For example, as I tell you, you press A, B, C, D keys on the QWERTY on the keyboard and it is shown on the monitor, meaning it shows the information in the output devices given. Now the main example of output devices are phone, monitor, speaker, printer and projector. Monitor shows the given command by the input devices. For example, you press A, B, C, D key, it is shown on the monitor. And speakers are used to show the audio recorded by the microphone. For example, I am also recording the audio in the speaker of this mobile phone and it is shown by the speakers of the mobile phone. And the same thing happen in the computers. You record the audio by the microphone and it can be listened by the speakers. Printer, as I tell you, it scans the copy and give a hard copy on paper. And projector are used in cinemas, theaters and also in the webinars, where you can see a big wall of white color is given, which you can say in Hindi parda, and on that thing the projector shows the project. This is known as projector. They are the output devices. Now I will tell you about the secondary storage devices. Storage devices are of two types: primary storage devices and the secondary storage devices. Here I will tell you about the secondary storage devices, and I will also tell you the quick recap of the primary storage devices. In primary storage devices are those storage devices which are in the computer system, while the secondary storage devices are the storage devices which are out of the computer system. For example, pen drive, CD and external HDD or hard disk SSD, which is known as solid state drive. These are the external External storage devices, for example pen drive, it is not inside the computer. You put in the USB of the computer system, then it is recognized by the computer that a pen drive is attached to it, and you can store the data in that pen drive. The same things happen with the CD and external HDD or SSD. Now why I have written in here external HDD or SSD? Because SSD and HDD can also be stored in the computer, but when we come to the secondary storage devices where it is external, that's why I have written external SSD and HDD. Now these are the whole basic of these peripheral devices. More you can search from net, etc. I have tell you all the basic things of this chapter, peripheral devices. Now in this chapter it is all about it. Thank you and have a nice day.